Conclusion. If you have gone through this training from start to finish, you will have a good understanding of how you can use the TikTok platform to promote your business to the huge user base of more than 500 million users. It is important that you do not just jump onto the platform without knowing what you are doing. TikTok users are looking for fun and entertaining content. Brands and organizations that have used the platform successfully in marketing know this and have posted creative videos that get the users involved in their brand in a fun way. If you want to succeed with TikTok marketing, you must do the same. More and more businesses are starting to realize the power of the TikTok platform, but as things stand, it is not saturated with marketing. This means that it is an ideal time for you to get started and establish yourself on TikTok while there is less competition. Now it is over to you. While going through this training will make you a bit smarter, only by taking action will you be able to leverage the TikTok platform to increase the profitability of your business. Remember to download and install the app and play around with it so that you are familiar with the features before you start to post videos. You need to be committed to marketing on TikTok. Don't make the mistake of posting a lot of videos at once and then do nothing for a long time. The users will just forget about you. Get organized and create a content marketing schedule for TikTok and stick to it. We hope that you found TikTok marketing to be informative and useful. Get started today with your TikTok marketing. We wish you every success promoting your business on this rapidly growing platform.